Okay, sagutin natin si Rods. Naging siya ng string recommendation. My violin is 4K and my budget is mga 1K, sir. Okay, so if I'm being honest and being practical lang, I wouldn't suggest anything around that price. Sobrang mahal na ng 1,000 pesos for a 4,000 peso violin. Hindi mo rin ma-enjoy yung benefits of having a good quality string as much kasi nga yung instrument yung limiting factor. Okay? But in essence ng iyong pagtatanong, sasagutin kita, ang ideal budget for that is around 200 pesos. Okay na yun. Makakaramdam ka rin ng mapapaganda mo rin yung sound sa 200 peso na string. I think wala na ngayon yung Backendorf na sinasabi ko before that I used to buy when I was a kid. Nung high school ako, ganyan. 120 pesos, sobrang sulit na niya. Kahit weekly ako magpalit, okay lang. Hindi siya tunog lata. Maganda naman kahit papano. Considering it's a steel strings. Now, at the 1,000 price range, no, meron akong niluluto. Abang-abangan nyo na lang din. Hindi ko pwedeng sabihin na i-recommend ko na agad unless okay siya sa akin, no? Pero tignan natin kung magiging maganda yung kalalabasan ng review because it's around 1,000 pesos, no? But kung gusto mo talaga mag-splurge, no, gusto mo talaga ng 1,000 peso na strings, ang marirecommend ko lang is D'Addario Prelude, no? Usually sinesale naman to and readily available sa market. Kung ayaw mo bilhin online, which is mas mura, pwede mo bilhin sa store, no, na nagbebenta ng D'Addario Prelude. So around 1,000, 1,150. Minsan nagsisale to ng mga around 900. Pero ang highest nito would be around 1,300. Ganyan. So yun yung pinakasulit kasi steel string siya pero hindi ganun katigas, hindi masakit sa daliri, and responsive siya. Unlike do sa ibang mga strings at this price point na medyo malambot na hindi naman nagre-respond. Kasi may malambot na masarap tugtugan kasi responsive pa rin siya or maganda yung tone. And meron ding malambot na talagang malambot lang. Okay? So sana nakatulong to. If you did, comment down below other questions you might have. And I'll see you on the next one. Good luck sa'yo.